Really?
Last time that happened.
So,
Sir, different house and Belt State Police. The reason I'm jumping out with you here, you got an issue with your tires on your trailer.
I don't know, I'm in line.
Oh, are you waiting for that
Yeah.
to get it fixed up? You know that you're missing, you're treading your mud flap back up under it?
Yeah, I'm in line.
Okay, well, I didn't know you were in line.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a violation of the person motor vehicle. Give your license, registration, proof of insurance.
You're kidding me, right?
No, sir, I'm not.
I'm in line at the repair shop and you're coming over here and doing that.
Okay. I can see your license, registration, proof of insurance.
Let me guess, you're his trainee, right? Let me guess, you're his trainee, right?